Hello, this is production version 1.2.0.0 Life Safety Tracker. This video is regarding the browser surveys form. One thing that we found that may be omitted from the survey is one of the filters. We're unable currently to search by life safety record detail status as far as being able to identify or search by various statuses, current statuses of individual LSR details. We find this to be an extremely limiting issue, and we'd like to see either a patch in place that would include that as a search option, or a version release to update to include searching by this column right here, LSR detail status. So we have currently a survey status search, which is a kind of a binary option for the user. They can either search by compliant or non-compliant. The pending here is actually not relevant, as surveys currently only can be compliant or non-compliant. The LSR detail status, though, has three different values: compliant, non-compliant, and pending. And we'd like to be able to search, particularly when a user is searching for pending issues. We'd like to be able to limit it to just pending issues rather than having to search for the through the entire list and then having to pick out by filtering, or excuse me, by sorting, having to go through the issues that way. Additionally, with this form right here, we've discovered that after editing an individual detail, when we go back into the system, so for example, if I reopen this deficiency, type something in, test, and hit save changes, close out deficiency, close form, what will happen is it'll reorder itself, and I am not sure whether or not the one being selected is the one that I last worked on. So it appears that it's not. In fact, it appears that it in fact reordered the items and then placed the one that I was last working on at the bottom. So I think what we'd prefer to see happen is, after you closed out a item, that that although it may resort itself, that the item being selected would go back to the one that you previously had selected. So these two issues are certainly workflow and user problems, making the program a little bit more challenging to use as you find yourself either going through a tremendous amount of data with regards to searching through LSR detail status, or as well as kind of losing your place after you've edited a individual survey. So we'd like to see these issues be resolved as soon as we can. And that concludes this video. Thank you.